Trading 1 minute on pocket option feels like gambling unless you have confirmed signals. This ADX and RSI combo gives you exactly that, even on OTC pairs during weekends.
At first, let's change the chart to candles and let's set the time frames to 10 seconds and the expiration time to 1 minute. And yeah, that's all. Now let's go to the indicator. The first indicator we are choosing is ADX and the second one is RSI. Now let's change the value of ADX. Let's leave the smoothing as it is and DI length should be 10. Now let's go to the style.
Let's disable the ADX line.
And plus DI should be green with 2 pixel and the minus DI should be red with 2 pixel. And yeah, that's all, and save it. Now let's go to the RSI and change the period to 10. Now let's go to the style and let's make the main line gray with 2 pixel and let's disable 70 and 30 line and let's make the 50 line white. And yeah, that's all. Okay, and save it. Now let's choose the best currency pair with more than 80% return, and today it's Sunday, so there is no any real currency, so we are trading on OTC currency only today. This strategy will work on both real currency and OTC currency, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, now let's find the perfect timing to open our position. Okay, here I found a perfect position to open a trade and I have sold here. The reason I have sold is, as you can see, at first I have seen the ADX line. As you can see, the green and red line of the ADX is intersecting each other and they are both going on opposite direction. As you can see, the red line is going up and the green line is going down, which means that the trend will reverse and the red line is above, so it indicates that the market will go down. Okay, and if you look at the RSI line, the gray line of the RSI is also on decline, so both of the indicator is showing me that the market will go down, so that's why I have sold here. And yeah, this is the first profit of the day. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, here I found again a similar type of pattern and I have sold here again. The reason I have sold is, as you can see, the green and red line is intersecting each other of ADX, and the green is going down and the ADX red line is going up. And also if you look at the RSI line, it's below 50 and it's on decline, so both of the indicator is showing me that the market will go down, so that's why I have sold here again. Okay, here I found a similar type of pattern but completely opposite, so that's why I have bought here. The reason I have bought is, as you can see, the green and red line is intersecting each other and the green line is above the red line. Previously the red line was above, but now the green line is above, which indicates that the market will go up. And if you look at the RSI line, it's above 50 and it's on incline, so both of these indicators showing me that the market will go up, so that's why I have bought here. So let's see what will happen. Okay, this is the first loss of our day, but no worries, we nearly made a profit, but unfortunately we got into loss. So let's move to the next one. Okay, here I found a similar type of pattern again and I will love to buy here. The reason I bought is, as you can see, the green and red line of the ADX is intersecting each other and the green line is above the red line, which indicates that the market will go up. And if you look at the RSI line, it's above 50 and it is on incline, so both of the indicator is showing me that the market will go up, so that's why I have bought here.
And yeah, that was the last trade of the day, and that's the ADX and RSI strategy for 1 minute pocket option trading. Wait for both indicators to agree before you enter, never just one. Practice this on demo account first, then go live with small amount and increase as you get consistent. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and let me know in the comment box if it worked for you or not. See you in the next strategy video.